At On Top Roofing and Restoration, we take care of our customers. Our team of professionals have been trained to go the extra mile. At On Top Roofing and Restoration, we stand by our quality workmanship and we are proud of our customer service. Here at On Top Roofing and Restoration, we offer to video our roof inspections so that our customers can see for themselves what's going on with their home.
Hi, it's Jeremy with On Top Roofing and Restoration, here to do a roof inspection. Just one layer there. Big hailstorm came through 2 days ago. Pretty well hammered. You can see all the new flakes off. So there's reports of leaking inside the mailroom as well as in the offices. This is about where the leaking is occurring, and they have some damage from a tree. Normally we would outline a 10 by 10 square and circle the hail hits, but in this case every shingle, all 90% of shingles have hail hits.
On Top Roofing and Restoration is a local Colorado Springs business. Why is this important? We feel like we're taking care of our home when we're taking care of yours. On Top Roofing and Restoration, building the future, restoring the past. At On Top Roofing and Restoration, we take care of our customers. And that's why we take the extra time needed to turn a good job into a great job. On Top Roofing and Restoration, building the future, restoring the past.
On Top Roofing and Restoration.